Having been born in a hilly place in Bunyoro, Western Kenya, I grew up in a very hilly place and very rocky because it had big rocks. And I really loved to just see the nature when I'm on top of those rocks. But those rocks also are hiding spots for snakes. And anytime the snake was basking under those rocks and I could hear a hissing sound, that is the exact time for Brenda Kaunda to run. Now, anytime I could hear a hissing sound, I know a snake is just near this spot and I have to hide and run and hide because it can strike me. That's the exact principle I used when I was a baby Christian. Anytime I enter into a church and a pastor is making a hissing sound, and then that pastor makes his congregant believe that he's casting out demon, he's preaching or is healing using the sound, I cannot stay there. That is already a serpent in front of me. I cannot just stand a pastor. Anytime someone is preaching, he's not doing it in an orderly, in a fitting way. But he said, "Ish, ish." Why is this hissing sound inside the church? Are pastors imitating snakes or what? Does your pastor does the hissing sound in the church in the name of casting out demons, in the name of healing, in the name of teaching and preaching? No, you can just talk the same way I'm talking and someone will get the message and he will be delivered or she will be delivered from the demons that have been tormenting him or her. Thank you so much and be blessed. Like, share, and subscribe.